Okay guys, I've managed to figure out where those random high voltage cables came to. Let's have a look. So the other day, I posted up a thing online wondering where all these cables, because they come through the floor down there, in one of those, well, there we go, through that hole there, and they come up into the heater, which is in there. They also branch off and go under the floor, all the way back here, and then go under the driver's seat. I'd also like to take this opportunity to note that none go under the passenger seat. That'll be important in a second. Now, if we come into the back, you can actually see there is a dirty great big heater. I'd never actually noticed that. There's a giant heater underneath the driver's seat. So next, I think I will take the driver's seat out and steal that heater, because that seems much easier to pull apart than that. If you want to know why going under the passenger seat was important, because there is an American power point underneath the passenger seat, but no high voltage cables go there. So that inverter must be powered off a 400 volt battery, which goes through a 400 12 volt PDM, which then goes from a 12 volt DC back up to an AC 100 volt for that thing.